to Disney. It's really early, like super early. I don't know that you want to know the time, but I can give you the time. It's 5:53. Actually, that's not early at all. I know we're running like super late. We woke up early to get ready, but we had to get gas, and you know, the Disney travel. They open at 8. We were trying to get there by a rope drop, but I don't think we will. Honestly speaking, because we still have to leave the car, walk there. We'll see what we get to. What I was gonna tell you, I'm so excited. We've never gone this many days. We're going 3 days with a park hopper. We've never done that at Disneyland, so I'm really excited to like take a chill if I can. I don't know that I can, and just explore parts that we haven't seen and eat in places we haven't ate. And yeah, we're staying at the Disneyland Hotel, so you'll see a video on that soon. And I'm so excited. Next time you see me, I'll be speed walking somewhere, I'm sure. We're in!
There's the Louisa Rock.
Uh-oh. On the strong one. It's been 10 minutes since we parked.
Yeah.
We checked our bags in, like, took less than 2 minutes.
Yeah.
And then now we are speed walking. We're at... No, okay.
Real speed?
No! My speed! My toes are frozen. But Brendan's cool, you know? Brendan...
Just lets it go.
No problem. Tomorrow we should go in that way. To the monorail. So they'll take us to Space Mountain.
Okay.
Alright, it's 7:54. They open at 8. We had a small hiccup because we bought a package through Costco. And I made the hotel reservations and everything. And the tickets were showing, but when we got here they weren't linked. So we had to quickly look for the email and go with that. But it's done. They haven't dropped the rope yet.
Oh. Filler Magic's featuring Coco.
I know! I can't wait.
Hello friends, welcome to Disney California Adventure. For your enjoyment, the park will be opening at 8 a.m. Thank you, and we hope you enjoy your day with us here at the Disneyland Resort.
Okay, so we're doing something we don't do. We just came for the first one. Brendan's favorite. I haven't ate anything. Let's just do it. And hopefully it's a good choice. We'll see. Oh, they said you can see Figment in one of these. I think in that purple one up there. Figment.
Please, we are well secure. Wait, what? My friends, you're one step closer to your exciting encounter with the Guardians of the Galaxy. That'll be fun. You are now standing in my private office.
I know.
Where I
Carefully scrutinize each and every piece that comes to me from different parts of the galaxy that ought to have. Let's use this guy.
We rode Guardians. The first drop almost killed me again, and then it got better. Brendan, you like it? He's looking for a jacket. He didn't pack one. Alright, so far we did Tower of Terror, no, Mission Breakout, and then Brendan ate a shawarma for breakfast with syrup?
It's spicy syrup. It's supposed to be Impossible sausage, which like...
How is it?
It's not bad.
Yeah.
The pita bread's really good. It's not better than the Ronto Raptor. That's like number one.
And now we are on Pixar Pier, and we're walking over to Incredicoaster. Should be 5 minutes. I think we're gonna do most things on the pier while it's short.
Face forward and hold on.
Ooh, so
5, 4, 3, 2, 1,
almost.
You got it.
Spider-Man? Yeah. And the radiators too, because that was $18 on a fast pass.
face forward and hold on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
I could do without that.
It was, yeah, it was
You are
delayed.
tremendous, darling. You make your Auntie Edna so proud. Sorry that got a little crazy.
Do you think it's still 5 minutes? Oh, Jesse's over there. You're getting destroyed. Woo! How'd we do? I don't know. Ah! No, you cheated. Hey! Hey-oh, good job. So Brendan cheated. I know it's close. I think they open at 12. Brendan cheated, but I had fun. My accuracy was better. Our arms are killing. Is somebody sitting behind us? I wonder if we rocked them. Because we were like going
The
all
dad
out.
and kid next to me just like looking at us as we were like the very end, just like.
Oh really? We go hard. Oh no, Jesse's gone.
Keep your seatbelt securely fastened. Be sure to supervise your inputs.
Symphony, Brendan hated it?
I'm really big, and to be thrown around like that is not something I'm used to.
Yeah, I got
Freaked me out a little bit.
and he was on the outside too. I was on the inside. It got me a little dizzy. I'm not gonna lie. Just a little. And now we're on Goofy School, driving school, Sky School. It's like literally right
I'll be
here.
a pilot.
Ooh, I'm a pilot. Oh my gosh! Oh, sorry. Sorry. Oh my god. Do you think dinosaurs bad? That was nice. I forgot about that. We did Goofy Sky School, but they said the seats were very small. And I crashed into them quite a bit. They're in the middle, there's like a nice...
Like kids rides, you know? Like, make them bigger.
In the middle, there's like a tiny little drop that's really fun. But everything else was okay. I think we'll put at 10. Okay, go for it. Get a hot dog. Hot dog time. Everything's closed for food. I mean, churros are open and stuff, but... We just got a Rice Krispie treat from one of the bakeries. It was the St. Patrick's Day one. I took a picture. It was not good. Brother, did you like it?
White chocolate.
Don't do it.
Now that's an amazing Spider-Man.
That was not bad.
Yeah.
You got the blood orange. I got, I don't know what.
Particle accelerator.
Particle accelerator. Tastes like soap. Liquid soap. And then when you wash your hands, you eat a churro and then you lick your hands.
Why do you lick your hands after?
No, like if you're eating, try it.
I feel like you did the wrong step.
No,
I would
it
eat the
just-
churro, then lick my
It
hands.
tastes how the soap at Universal Studios smells. Soap, right?
There's supposed to be watermelon acai seltzer.
Watermelon acai seltzer. Soap. It's cute though. Cute. Good time. Got the chili corn queso. It's a cone. Really, really good. Recommend this one other. Oh, like we didn't like the mac and cheese one as much. I'm gonna have to drink it with my soap and yeah. We got a really cute view. Nice hidden little tables next to the cafe. Not bad, not bad. Alright, we're gonna finish eating and now we are doing the bakery tour. We've never done it, so we'll see. I'm still drinking my soap.
That's all I know.
If only I had that much dough.
So when I woke up this morning, I didn't give this much bread.
It pawns me to be here. Huh? Multicultural joke. I don't know. How long does it take pudding sourdough bread? 72 hours. Pop quiz, how many days?
3.
Oh, good job. So proud of you.
Terrified.
Are you ever gonna try? Ooh. What makes the bubbles with the bread?
Carbon dioxide.
Oh, you stop cheating? There's no cheating in this tour?
It's not cheating. You think it's cheating?
What goes into the bread? Stop reading it! You're such a cheater! No, I'm not even gonna ask you. No, I am gonna ask you. Why is it called mother dough?
Because it's made with love. Pretty much.
That is nowhere near.
It's very loosely translated.
You fishing? Got it. What shoe? What does it say? Marine? Marlin?
Marceline.
Oh, does it?
Yeah. It's like all the places that you like grew up.
Wait, so Marceline's like a city?
Yeah.
Oh, is that why there's Marceline confectionaries?
Yeah.
Oh, I was hoping Marceline was his wife's name.
I don't think so. I'm pretty sure it's Marceline, Missouri. Because one of it's Kansas City Mo, there's Chicago on there, and then there's Marceline on the foot. So it's kind of funny because I feel like it's been like stuff I've been like a part of.
I'm gonna be fair with you, I didn't finish the TikTok video.
I could tell.
So I didn't know that was on the foot.
Yeah.
I love that more. Our cat's name is Marceline, if you don't know, just because we liked Adventure Time.
Yeah.
But I kind of like that name even more now. Yeah. We did Filler Magic with the Cocoa Edition. We hadn't seen it. I love the Cocoa Edition.
It's cool. It's a very rich world. They can do a lot with that.
I hope they do like those like art prints with it, because I would love to see the art print with Donald dancing to it, because it's two of my favorite things together. We're in the big store now.
You need to be like that metal straw and suck it up. Wake up. Why'd you leave the kids on the table?
Hi, I hope you enjoyed our morning at Disney California Adventures. After this, we went to go check in at our Disneyland hotel reservation. That video is out already if you want to see the Disneyland hotel and our room and our overall review. We had such a good time. We did spend the whole morning without the Genie Plus, so all of the rides you saw were without Genie Plus and without waiting any wait times really. I think the longest wait time we did was maybe 5-10 minutes. So if you go in the mornings, if you go ride at Rope Drop, it's completely worth it. And then go take a little break, you know, that's what we went to go do. As you can tell, I was exhausted. And then we came back out when the weather was a little bit better and we were all refreshed and ready to go. Don't forget to like and comment what your favorite ride is at DCA. And then subscribe, it really helps me out and you can see all of our amazing journeys. And until next time, adios.